Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discussing most important thing, it is called cue card. Let's start. Describe a piece of the good advice that you give to someone. How to answer. The examiner will give you a cue card in part 2 of the IELTS speaking test. This cue card contains a topic and few points you should cover in your response. For instance, let's take an example of the cue card for the topic. Describe a piece of the good advice that you gave to someone. Cue card. Describe a piece of the good advice that you gave to someone. You should say who did you advise, what was the advice, why did you give the advice, how was it helpful, and how did she feel about it. We will now explore how to prepare for the describe a piece of the good advice that you give to someone practice test. Let's start. Introduction. Start with the concise introduction of your friend's situation or problem, the significance of the offering advice. Keep the introduction brief yet engaging to capture the listener attention. For example, meet my friend Abhinav, who, after completing high job, found himself at a critical point in his life. He was unsure about which career path to take, and it was a crucial moment that called for the careful guidance to help him make the right decision. Who did you advise? Identify the person who received the advice. Provide the contact about your relationship with the person. For example, one of my childhood friend Abhinav felt uncertain about his career path after the graduation. Given out the long-standing friendship, I wanted to support him during this crucial decision-making process. What was the advice? Clearly state the advice given, provided detail or reason behind the advice, highlighted the importance of relevance of the advice. For example, I advise the Abhinav to explore the career option that align with his value and passion. This will lead to long-term fulfillment and the success in his chosen career. Why did you give the advice? Explain the motivation or the reason behind giving the advice. Share my personal experience or insight that influenced the advice. Connect the advice to the person need or circumstances. Example, I advise the Abhinav on my own experience. I emphasize the importance of following passion during the pivotal moment. I aim to help him find the clarity and confidence in the decision making. How was it helpful and how did she feel about it? Describe the outcome or result of the advice. Share the person's reaction or response to advice. Reflect the overall impact and effectiveness of the advice. Example, Abhinav received the advice that helped him explore the career option, clarify his interest, and make an informed decision about his future path. Conclusion. Summarize the key point of the advice and its impact. Reflect on my lesson, learn or broader implications. And on a positive note, emphasizing the value of giving good advice. Example, guiding Abhinav during a tough decision making phases result in positive outcome and growth. This reinforces the importance of the supporting the friends during the challenging time and helping them make a decision that align with their value and goal. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for new update about the IDP examination based question.